Hello friends, this is Mohammad Amjad. Welcome to Amjad Concepts. Yesterday we have discussed VBODMAS Rule. On that, some examples are here. Here, 18 minus of 5 minus of 6 plus 2 of 7 minus 8 minus 5 Vinculum. Okay. To simplify this problem, here we need to do like this. In step 1, we need to follow this column. First one is Vinculum. What is Vinculum here? This one, borrow one. 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? 3. So in step 1 we can do 18 minus of 5 minus 6 plus 2 of 7 minus 8 minus 5 is 3. So write down here 3. Remaining part same. Okay. In second step, step number 2, bracket 1. This is the bracket 1. So here we have 7 minus 3, that is 4. So write remaining part same. 18 minus of 5 minus 6 plus 2 of 7 minus 3 is the 4, right? So write down 4. Okay. Now again step 3. Again here we have the bracket. So do again same. 18 minus of 5 minus 6 plus 2 of 4. 2 into 4 nothing but half, nothing but multiplication. 2 into 4 nothing but 8. Okay. Now step 4. In step 4, in this bracket we have 6 plus 8, that is 14. So you can write 18 minus of 5 minus 6 plus 8, 14. So you can write 14 like this. Okay. Now step number 5, 18 minus of 5 minus 14. 5 minus 14, that is minus 9. So here we can write minus into minus plus 18 plus 9, that is 27. In step number 6 we will get the answer, that is 27. That's it. Yeah, here the another problem is 3 into 5 minus 6 minus 2 bar plus of x minus 3 plus 2 bar is equal to 16. Then find the value of x. To simplify this problem, we need to use VBODMAS rule. Here, in first step, 6 minus 2 bar. So, in step 1, 3 into 5 write down same, minus 6 minus 2 bar. So, 6 minus 2 nothing but 4, plus of x minus 3 plus 2 bar. What is 3 plus 2? 5. So, 5 is equal to x. Okay. In next step 2, bracket of and division. So we can write here 3 into 5, that is 15 minus 4 plus of x minus 5 is equal to 16. Okay. Now in step 3 we can do, in this we don't have multiplication and division, only we have the subtraction and addition. So 15 minus 4 is 11, 11 minus 5 is 6. So write down 6 plus of x is equal to 16. Listen again, 15 minus 4, that is 11, 11 minus 5 is 6, 6 plus x equal to 16. And in step 4, x equal to 16, 6 bring this side, it will become minus 6. So you will get the x value is 16 minus 6, that is 10. So x value is 10. Like this, we can find the x value by using this VBODMAS rule. Thank you.